So what can we do? Latest thought was I'd do that as brackets with an I, the brackets with a J, brackets with a K. I'd put minus there, minus there, minus there, minus there. And that's cross product. So what do we do? Cover the I's. That's a 12. And that's a minus 1. Oh, would it save me making... So my challenge, Josh, is always how do I eliminate my silly mistakes? Lifetime of it. So then I cover the J. So don't use the J's for the J. So the common sense is we're left with just the 8 and we're left with a 3. So I'm not going to use the K's for the K's. So I'm going to go minus 2. What did I just do? That was right. Minus 2 and 9. Yeah. That's a plus. So I've got 13I. So I've got 5, so minus 5J. And I've got minus 11K. We're done, aren't we? So what could I call that? If that was A, and that was B, what's it called mathematically?
Yeah.
So it's actually written as the cross product. So the actual multiplication of it, not the dot of it. Dot of it's different interpretation. So if I want the unit vector of that, what do I do then? Get the magnitude of that, which is the square root of 13 squared plus 3. Who wrote such stupid numbers? Plus 5 squared plus 11. And I don't even look at the negatives. I don't think of the negatives, even I just go. And some wonderful person gets that for me, not as a decimal, because they will always want exact values.
The square root of 315.
So in other words, by the way, what is the cross product? It's the perpendicular to the plane that includes those two. So if I could draw it somehow, we say here's a vector, here's another vector, we've just now got the perpendicular to the plane. But is it that one, or is it the one that goes in here, like that? Is it that one that goes down in there? Which one? So I'll probably just write the unit vector, perpendicular to the plane. What do we have? It's got to be this one. So it's 13I minus 5J minus 11K. And that's how long? That's that long, and I don't want it to be that long, I only want it to be 1 unit. So it's 1 on that. There's 1, it said 2. So what do? So the other one is, can you imagine if they wanted you to rationalise the denominator and blah blah blah. Minus 13I plus the 5J plus 11K. Now by the way, if you did have a question, you could go, well, which one went, you think through 13I, you go across the 13, J down to 5, and it went into the board 11. So that one's going into the board that way, like that way in there somewhere. Can you see a picture on that? It's a pain in the butt. Whereas this one would be minus 13I plus 5J, and it comes out here. Oh, that's okay. That one would be about there. And you go, do I want the one that comes out this way, or do I want the one that goes in that way? And then you could think of what it is. Hopefully in the ways they just say, or you use the concept rather than do the question. Easy?